Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 5th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So we had a little bit of a bounce today. We had this little minor breaker structure also, which obviously proves that this wave down is over. Now, based on the dollar index especially, I think there probably is a chance that we might go up and take out this high, but I definitely would still be looking for bearish outlooks. If this really is the end of a wave Y up here, it will go down and take out this low. It doesn't necessarily have to take out this high first. It just seems like it potentially would make sense to have a more of a three-way pullback and possibly a liquidity grab taking these highs before we do get a push down. So I would expect to see something like this, and I would definitely still be focusing on shorts, at least taking it down to the breaker structure level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.